Hey there, folks. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of budgeting and grocery shopping, specifically through the lens of a rural professional who's mastered the art of making every dollar count. This person's story is a testament to the power of frugality and self-sufficiency, and is a real eye-opener for anyone looking to tighten their belt without sacrificing taste or quality. So, let's get started. Our protagonist, a 41-year-old AG sector worker, found themselves in a tricky situation after being made redundant a couple of years ago. With a tight budget and a desire to maintain a steady income, they've had to get creative with their spending, especially when it comes to groceries. And let me tell you, their approach is nothing short of impressive. One of the first things that stood out to me is their shopping strategy. Instead of frequenting multiple stores, they stick to one, pack and save. This decision alone is a smart move, as it simplifies their shopping experience and likely saves them time and money. But it's not just about convenience, it's about making the most of what's available. This person has a knack for making do with what they can find, and their resourcefulness is truly inspiring. Now, here's where it gets interesting. They've embraced a DIY mindset, and it's paying off big time. From baking their own bread, because, let's face it, supermarket bread can be a bit meh, to making muesli bars and even yogurt, they're taking control of their food choices and, in the process, saving a bundle. I mean, who needs expensive, processed snacks when you can make your own delicious treats and freeze them for later? It's a win-win situation. But it's not just about food. This person has a clever approach to essentials too. They've mastered the art of waiting for sales and cycling through their purchases, ensuring they get the best deals on things like toilet paper and cleaning products. It's a simple strategy, but one that can make a huge difference over time. Now, you might be wondering, with such a tight budget, do they ever treat themselves? Well, the answer is yes, but in a very calculated way. They splurge on salon shampoo for their tricky hair, but even then, they're savvy enough to find the best deals online. It's all about balance, folks. And get this, they even grow their own lettuce. Talk about self-sufficiency. With a bit of ingenuity and some mitre 10 seedlings, they've got a summer's worth of fresh greens. It's a small thing, but it adds up, and it's a great way to stay connected to the earth and your food. But it's not all about deprivation. This person still finds time to entertain and cook for friends, proving that a tight budget doesn't have to mean a social life devoid of fun. They found a way to make it work, and their advice to others is golden: get those cookbooks out and go back to basics. It's a simple yet powerful message. In conclusion, this person's story is a reminder that budgeting doesn't have to be a drag. With a bit of creativity, resourcefulness, and a willingness to get your hands dirty, literally, with all that baking and gardening, you can thrive on a tight budget. It's all about making informed choices, being patient, and, most importantly, enjoying the process. So, the next time you're at a supermarket, remember the wisdom of our frugal friend, and maybe, just maybe, you'll find yourself inspired to try a few new things. Until next time, folks. Keep those budgets tight and those spirits high.